Do you feel like you're doing everything right? You're walking every morning, you have stopped eating sweets, but your belly fat is just not going away. In fact, for many of you, the more you try to diet, the more tired and bloated you feel. Most people will tell you that you just need to eat less. But as a professional coach, I can tell you that is exactly why you are failing. If your belly fat is stubborn, it is not because you lack discipline. It is because your body's internal signals are shifted to storage mode. Your body thinks it needs to save energy, so it locks the fat in your stomach to protect you. Today I am giving you the 20-point blueprint. These are 20 simple professional hacks that tell your brain it is finally safe to burn that fat. Once you fix these signals, the weight starts to reduce naturally. And pay close attention to hack number 14 because almost every Indian professional ignores it. And it is the number one reason their healthy diet fails. Now, before we start, let me tell you about Jayaprakash. He is a 40-year-old tech professional. He was working long hours, drinking 4 cups of milk tea and eating healthy biscuits. He had a hard, protruding belly and his energy was always low. Now, Jayaprakash thought that he had to stop eating rice and roti completely. I told him, Jayaprakash, don't starve your body. Just change the signals. We put him on these exact 20 hacks inside our 12-week lean body program. We didn't give him a magic diet. We just fixed his protein, his morning routine, and his walking style. In just 12 weeks, Jayaprakash reduced his waist by 4 inches and felt 10 years younger and more energetic. He didn't need more willpower. He just needed a professional system. Here is that system. Number one, the fiber shield. Fiber acts like a barrier that stops sugar from entering your blood too fast. Take 1 spoon of isabgol psyllium husk in a glass of water 15 minutes before your dinner. It fills your stomach and stops your body from storing that meal as fat. Number two, avoid industrial oils. Stay away from vanaspati or refined vegetable oils found in packed snacks. These oils cause internal swelling, inflammation, which makes your belly look bigger. Swap them for small amounts of ghee or cold pressed mustard oil. Number three, the alcohol truth. Alcohol is empty calories. When you drink, your liver stops burning fat for 24 hours to clear the alcohol. If you are at a social event, stick to one small drink with plain water and avoid sugary mixers like cold drinks or canned juice. Number four, the protein anchor. This is the most important rule in my 12-week lean body program. To wake up your metabolism, you need a high protein breakfast, but it must be realistic. If you like having a bowl of oats, don't just eat them plain. Add 1 scoop of high quality protein powder to your oats or have 3 to 4 whole eggs. If you're a vegetarian, you can have 50 grams of paneer grated on moong chilla. This anchors the meal. By adding protein to your oats, you stop the sugar spike and tell your body to stay in fat burning mode until lunch. Number 5, the stress switch. When you are stressed, your body produces cortisol. This is a hormone that literally leads to belly fat storage. Now use the 5 breath rule. Before you start your car or enter a meeting, breathe in for 4 seconds and breathe out for 8 seconds. This tells your brain the emergency is over. The first 5 hacks fix your foundation. But this next part is where your body starts to actually use the fat for fuel. Number 6, the sugar shutdown. Refined sugar is the number one enemy of a flat stomach. If you just stop adding sugar to your tea and coffee, you can save thousands of calories a month. Use a tiny bit of stevia or monk fruit if you cannot drink it plain. Number 7, brisk walking. Don't just stroll. You need to walk at a pace where your breathing becomes a little heavy, but you can still talk. Do this for 30 minutes every day. This is the sweet spot for burning fat without stressing your joint. Number 8, the carb swap. White rice and maida, refined flour, turn into sugar quickly in your body. Instead, eat dalia, red rice, or millet rotis, jowar, or bajra. These are more natural and keep your energy steady. Number 9, coconut oil energy. Add 1 small spoon of virgin coconut oil to your morning black coffee. This contains fats that your brain can use for energy immediately, helping you to stay alert without needing a heavy breakfast. Number 10, light strength training. Muscle is your best friend as you age. The more muscle you have, the more fat you burn while resting. You don't need heavy weights. Just do some body weight squat, incline push-up, step-ups, and planks. This tells your body to keep its strength and burn the fat instead. Now, you might be thinking, Pious, I already eat home food. Why am I still overweight? It is usually because of these small hidden triggers. Number 11, the water preload. Drink 2 big glasses of water 30 minutes before your lunch and dinner. This wakes up your metabolism and helps you feel full much faster. Number 12, the 7-hour sleep rule. If you sleep less than 6 hours, your hunger hormone go up and your fullness hormones go down. You will find yourself eating more the next day. No TV or phone after 10 p.m. A dark, cool room is a fat burning room. Number 13, the two-roti rule. We often eat too many rotis without realizing it. For 1 week, try to limit yourself to 2 rotis per meal and fill the rest of the plate with a double portion of vegetables and a bowl of dal. Number 14, the omega-3 secret. This is what 99% of Indians are missing. We eat too many industrial oils and not enough good fat. Eat 5 walnuts, akroat, or 1 spoon of flax seeds, alsi, every day. This reduces the inflammation in your belly and unlocks the fat store. Number 15, stop drinking your fruit. Even fresh juice is mostly sugar because the fiber is removed. Instead, eat the whole fruit. One whole orange or apple is much better for your belly than a glass of juice. Now, these final 5 hacks are what separate those who get results from those who just try. Number 16, apple cider vinegar. Take 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar in a big glass of water before your heaviest meal. This helps your body process the carbohydrates better and prevents them from being stored as belly fat. Number 17, the probiotic boost. A healthy gut means less bloating. Have 1 bowl of fresh, homemade curd with your lunch. It helps your digestion and stops those late night sugar cravings. Number 18, the 12-hour fast. This is the easiest way to start intermittent fasting. Finish your dinner by 8 p.m. and don't eat anything until 8 a.m. the next day. This gives your body 12 hours to focus on cleaning instead of digesting. Number 19, green tea. Drink 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily, but without any honey or sugar. The natural compounds in green tea help your body oxidize or burn the deep fat around your organs. Number 20, the consistency rule. Don't try to be perfect. If you can follow just 15 of these 20 hacks for 12 weeks, your body will transform. In the 12-week lean body program, we focus on 80% consistency, not 100% perfection. Now, I want to be very honest with you. Most people are stuck in a cycle of stress, overeat, feel guilty. The truth is simple. You don't need more discipline. You need a better system. When you fix your signals, your sleep, your protein, and your daily movement, your body actually wants to be lean. It stops seeing fat as a survival requirement and start using it as fuel. This is the difference between weight loss and fat loss. Your belly fat is not a sign that you are lazy. It is a sign that your body is overwhelmed by the wrong signals. Fix the signals and the body will follow. If you have been trying to lose the same 10 kilos for years, it is time to stop guessing and start following a professional framework. Watch the short video training at chimpanzee.com. We will walk you through the full 12-week lean body program. This is the exact system we used for Jayaprakash and hundreds of other busy professionals to reclaim their health, reduce their belly fat, and feel strong again. Stop guessing, start signaling. I'm Payas, and I'll see you in the next video.